We begin the installation for the decking, and this is the decking which you are buying. The dimension is 138, and the thickness is 23. And this one is WPC beam, and its dimension is 40 by 25. And this one is the starter clip and the screws. And this one is the stainless steel clip and the screws. And this is the screwdriver for pre-drill the hole. And this one is the screwdriver for driving the screws. And the screw diameter is 3.5. And the driller diameter is 3. Here we begin the installation. Firstly, we have to keep the beam distance to be 33. The distance should be 33. Then you do not need to measure always. You may cut a short board to make its length to be 33, and you may do it like this way to keep the distance. Here and here to keep from here to here is 33 centimeter. And here we begin the installation. Firstly, we pre-drill the screw, pre-drill hole this way. Firstly, we fix the starter clip to pre-drill hole. The second one. Here, the starter clip has already been fixed, and we keep the distance. Okay. Then we start the first board. Here we second board. Here, see, finish. This is the start clip to fix the first board. See, after drilling the screw, you have to use the driller to pre-drill a hole in this way in order to keep the WPC beams to be in quality and hold the screw tightly. This is the whole board. And this distance is 4 millimeter. About 4 millimeter roundly.